Hello my dear friend. Welcome to the day 3 of 3-day intensive Baccarat challenge. Transform your Baccarat results now. Start making consistent money and stop letting casinos take your hard-earned cash. Master the intrinsic and extrinsic key values to change your Baccarat results favorably for the long term. Why winning at Baccarat is inevitable. If you've made it this far, it means you're not just a casual player. You're serious about Baccarat. You want to win consistently, not just get lucky once in a while. And today I'm going to show you something powerful, why winning at Baccarat isn't a dream. It's inevitable when you understand and apply what I'm about to share. Now, I know what you're thinking. If winning was inevitable, why are most players losing? Great question. And the answer is simple: most players play Baccarat the way casinos want them to play. Emotional, random, hopeful, but never intentional, never in control. See, the difference between a losing player and a consistent winner isn't luck, it's structure. A losing player reacts to outcomes. A consistent winner anticipates them. A losing player chases emotions. A consistent winner manages probabilities. And when you start operating from structure, logic, and discipline, winning stops being a chance. It becomes a process. Just listen to what some of my students discovered once they stopped gambling and started executing.
Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course, it was able to give me information and concepts I had not thought of before, and that really got my attention as a player. The Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course program is so well structured, and it teaches you everything you need to know to become a consistent winner at this game. And that's just such an important aspect of the whole program. This is coupled with proven money management techniques and practical betting strategies to develop you into a more consistent or a consistent winner to start with. Has always been supportive of it and available to answer my questions or any questions I have throughout the program. The Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course is a good program that has opened my eyes to the potential of the game and my potential to do well and also make money playing Baccarat. I'm certainly a different player now, and who is so glad that I did complete the Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course. Participating in this program is a must for anyone who is interested in making money playing Baccarat. Thanks again, John Lee and Money World.
I'm very thankful for ABDLC course because I thought it will just teach me some basic strategy for Baccarat. I was wrong. It's not a course but a rehabilitation. It is for those gambling addicts that wants to change their lives, from losers to winners, from majority to minority. It will teach you how to get full control of yourself when playing. It will also help you to take the next step on becoming an advantaged player after the completion of it. About the strategies in the course, everything was very helpful since you get new strategies you never knew that existed. Also about the money management, there was always more to learn. Wait until Mr. Lee slaps you with new knowledge every day with ABDLC course. So this review is just pure honesty from my heart. If you think this is fake, it's up to you to decide. I never regretted taking this opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Now let's break down why I say winning is inevitable. Because Baccarat follows rules. Patterns appear not by magic but by mathematical behavior. Once you understand the intrinsic values, the core of how the shoe breathes, flows, and shifts, you stop guessing and start reading. And then you add the extrinsic values, your money management, entry control, timing, discipline, and suddenly your entire perspective changes. You stop being a player and you become the house. That's when results stop fluctuating. You stop saying, I hope I win, and you start saying, I know exactly when and how to win, because your approach now carries edge, control, and repeatability. And once you reach that level, winning becomes inevitable. Some of my students have been applying these principles for years now, and they make consistent weekly income without risking their lifestyle or emotions. And that's the truth most players never hear. Baccarat is not about playing more. It's about playing right. Once you build your framework, you don't need to chase results, they start chasing you. Now, this 3-day challenge was just the beginning. You've seen how mindset, structure, and strategy come together. But imagine what happens when you go deeper, when you get access to practically proven bet selection and mathematically proven money management strategies. And real-world application builds consistent results weekly and monthly without risking your hard-earned money. Because this isn't theory. It's real people, real results, real change.
Hello. I recently finished Mr. John Lee's Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course, and really can't say enough about him and the course. Not only did he teach me why I was a consistent loser, he also taught me exactly what I need to do to become a consistent winner. Right? He changed my whole paradigm about playing Baccarat from the inside out. No one's been able to do that for me and give me the understanding and clarity that he was able to. He goes into great detail and depth and explains every aspect of the game and what it takes to win clearly. And most importantly, he'll stand by your side every step of the way. He's answered all my questions, returned all my emails, and he'll even do a custom video if need be to make sure that you understand everything clearly. My practice sessions have been producing excellent results, and I'm really looking forward to playing live very soon. When I finished the course, I realized that I just didn't know what I didn't know about the game of Baccarat.
Winning at Baccarat isn't luck. It's inevitable when you know exactly how to align your psychology, structure, and method.
Have all your questions
You've seen the proof. You've experienced the difference. Now it's time to go beyond majority mindset and step into mastery.
I just wanted to post some feedback on your ABD-LC program. It's virtually been 100 days since I completed the program. Before completing the ABD-LC program, I was looking for 2 or 3 units for shoe, just like a lot of other players are currently doing. And look, I was successful 50 to 55% of the time. However, to me, this was so self-limiting, I just wanted more. What I'm doing now since completing the ABD-LC program 100 days ago is now limitless. A lot of people will not do the ABD-LC program, but those who do the ABD-LC program can also become limitless with their new job and with what they can look to earn. I certainly have. Once again, thanks, John.
If you have difficulty in accessing any of the products on the website, or if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us via email. ABD-LC, it is not for everyone. It is only for the selected students. You don't have to walk into Baccarat blind like most people. Knowledge gives you calm, control, and power. When you understand how the game truly works, you stop guessing and start making smarter decisions. I built this course to guide you step by step so you no longer feel lost or afraid of making mistakes. You deserve clarity. You deserve confidence. And you deserve the kind of mindset that helps you protect your money instead of throwing it away. Take this chance to learn what most players never learn. Your future self will thank you for choosing knowledge over luck. Take care.